everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unpacking a fresh new Kickstarter reward package from Roye, Okupe, and Youneek Studios, Malika Volume 4. As the title obviously indicates, this is the fourth book in an epic graphic novel series that is part historical fantasy and part urban fantasy, chronicling the life of warrior queen Malika and her adventures. As some of you watching this have undoubtedly heard, Okupe and Youneek have recently signed a major deal with Dark Horse Comics on the strength of books like this that have had enormous success on Kickstarter. I'll probably have a few thoughts on that later, but for now, let's dig into this package. There we go. Here's the cover to the book. Looks very nice, very striking cover image. Take it out of the poly bag. There are also some digital rewards attached to this, featuring the other previously released books from Youneek Studios. I'm just going to take a couple. Again, hope you can get a really good look at that cover. And let's take a quick flip through the book. As you can see, it is signed. That was part of the reward. Roye is the creator and the writer. I'm probably going to butcher all of these names, but pencils are by Sunkanmi, Akinboye. The colorist is Toyin, Ajetunmobi. Both of them also did the cover art, along with Godwin Akpen, who is really he's done some work on the previous book from another books from Youneek Studios, EXO. Letters are by Spoof Comics. And then this is a really nice looking package. As you can see, we have a really nice summary of what's gone on previously in the book. Information on the previous chapters in the Malika story, as well as the previous books that are available. And then, like I said, just flip through some of the pages so you can see some of the art. Like I said, Roye has recently signed a deal with Dark Horse Comics. They're going to be re-releasing all of the previous Youneek books, as well as putting out new books for all of their concepts and characters. And one of the things that I thought was really exciting about this deal is, while it's excellent for Roye, a lot of the artists who are, I believe most of his artists, if not all of them, are based out of Africa. They are African-based artists, are going to be able to have their work exposed to a brand new audience. I mean, when you're talking about Dark Horse Comics, who, in my opinion, someone who goes back in comics back to the early 90s when I first got into it, Dark Horse to me is the preeminent independent publisher in comic book history, as far as I'm concerned. I know you have Image Comics, but I consider Image to be a slightly different level scale than Dark Horse. Dark Horse to me is a pure publisher, whereas Image, they have become a pure publisher, but they really didn't start out as what you would consider to be an independent publisher. They were, they had a lot of advantages that Dark Horse didn't have starting out. So, like I said, this is a really exciting deal. It's going to be really exciting to see a lot of these artists get exposed, their work get exposed to wider audiences. And like I said, hopefully you're getting a good chance to see a lot of this art. If not, I'm also going to be doing some B-roll to spotlight some of these pieces. It's a really beautiful art, really beautiful colors, really really great work here. So, like I say, just flipping through some of the rest of the book. Like I said, really beautiful art. And finishing off with an ad for the Aloris. This is the team book, so to speak, of the Youneek universe. Where it brings together all of their heroes, and the interesting thing about that is their heroes kind of bridge the entire time from the past history to the present to the future. So, and it's really interesting how they bring all those together. Like I said, it's a really nice little package here. Really great looking book. If you can find it, it's for sale, going to be for sale, $19.99 in the US, $19.99 in Canada, and $14.99 in the UK. Gotta love that exchange rate. So, like I said, that's going to just about do it. Thanks to all of you for joining me on this Kickstarter unpacking for Malika Volume 4. If you don't mind, please consider giving this video a like and hitting the subscribe button to make sure to follow when new videos are released. Until next time, I'll see you.